Hi everyone, this is Kumar from Kumars Computing. Microsoft is soon rolling out a long-awaited feature in Outlook called roaming signature. In this video, I will explain in detail about what it is and how you will benefit from this. So let's go ahead. What is Outlook roaming signature? The new soon-to-be-released feature in Outlook for Windows PC will store users' Outlook email signature in cloud rather than being stored locally on the user's Windows device. The new signature will be associated with user's mailbox instead of Windows PC. This feature will enable users with a Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com account to sync their Outlook signatures across their different devices. For example, if you have an existing Outlook signature on your current PC, then the same signature will also be available in Outlook if you move or change to another PC. So how would users benefit from this feature? Currently, Outlook signatures are stored locally on users' Windows PCs in most small to medium business environments. This feature will avoid users or their IT team from having to manually set up signatures on each device each time users change, replace, or move between PCs, which will save users time and provide a consistent experience when using Outlook on any PC. With this new Outlook roaming signature feature, users or their IT team will no longer need to manually set up signatures when moving between PCs. What products does this feature apply to? The first release of this feature will only apply to Outlook on Windows PC, according to Microsoft. This feature will not cover Outlook Online, mobile devices, and Mac computers, but are likely to be included in the future releases. Let's understand how the signature migration will happen. When this feature becomes available, Outlook will read users' existing local signatures that are set by the user as default Outlook signatures. Outlook will then copy the new message or replies forwards default signature to the user's mailbox and become available across multiple Windows PCs. It's important to understand that if the user has multiple existing signatures, only user's default signature will be migrated as roaming signature. All other signatures will remain locally on the device and will continue to be available for use. What action will be required from users? Users don't need to do anything to enable this new feature, as it will become effective automatically when rolled out. Any existing signatures will not be overwritten by this feature. Who is affected by this feature? This feature will be available to users whose mailboxes are currently on Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com. Accounts hosted on Exchange on-premise servers or third-party services or POP/IMAP accounts will not be affected by this change at this time, according to Microsoft. So when will this feature roll out? According to Microsoft's roadmap, this feature is expected to be rolled out to the monthly channel in late November this year. Lastly, what if users do not want this roaming signature enabled automatically? Organizations or users who do not want their email signature migrated automatically can temporarily disable this feature using the following registry edit. In the above path, setting the dword value to 1 will disable this feature and prevent signature migration upon rollout. This value is temporary and will be deprecated in the future. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. To receive my upcoming and regular tutorial videos on Microsoft 365, Windows PC, and everyday IT, please subscribe and press the bell icon below. Bye for now.